If you have high cholesterol, the idea of a high-fat diet like keto might seem risky. But what if cutting carbs could actually improve your heart health? Let's dive into how the ketogenic diet affects cholesterol levels and whether it can be a safe choice for you. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan designed to push your body into ketosis, a state where fat becomes your primary fuel source. By drastically reducing carbohydrates, your insulin levels drop, and your body burns stored fat for energy. This metabolic shift has been linked to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and even cognitive benefits. But when it comes to cholesterol, things get a bit more complex. Traditional dietary guidelines warn against consuming too much fat, especially saturated fat, because it can raise LDL, bad, cholesterol levels. However, recent research suggests that keto can actually improve cholesterol profiles by increasing HDL, good, cholesterol and altering LDL particle size. Making it less harmful. One of the biggest concerns is whether the ketogenic diet raises the risk of heart disease. Some studies have shown that keto may initially spike LDL cholesterol levels, but over time, it tends to normalize, especially if healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts are prioritized over processed fats. Additionally, keto can reduce triglycerides, another key marker of heart health. So, should you worry about cholesterol on keto? It depends on your individual health profile. If you have a history of heart disease or genetic predisposition to high cholesterol, it's essential to monitor your levels regularly. Choosing heart-healthy fats, avoiding processed foods, and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense meals can help mitigate any potential risks. If you're considering keto but concerned about cholesterol, talk to a healthcare professional to determine what's best for your body. Have you tried keto while managing high cholesterol? Share your experiences below.